Hello and welcome to the ISO Auditor training course. And my name is Jeremiah Vincent, and I am the course director. I'll be with you for all the modules, and we will be interacting with each other throughout this course and later on as well. This course is structured on the basis of the requirements of ISO 19011 2018 version of the standard, which is titled as Guidelines for Conducting Management System Audits. And therefore, all management system audits are required to be conducted as per these guidelines. And this particular course is practical oriented and aimed towards those who aspire to be full time professional auditors, as well as those who would like to start as internal auditors in the organizations where they are working. Now, uh, I have been delivering this training for many years now, and in the classroom training, this is offered as a 1 day course. And I always found that during the course, many parts of the course are rushed through, and therefore, we students are also not able to get a full grasp of the topics being discussed. And I as a trainer also never used to get the satisfaction, and that's why I came up with this recorded training, so that one could undergo this training program at their own leisure. And because it's a recorded course, you could reverse it, and listen to those portions where you need to spend more time, or you can stop the video and take notes as well. And that's the reason why I have come up with this uh, recorded video course. Number one. Number two, I have also stayed away from mentioning the sections of the ISO 19011 2018 standard, or the guidelines as it is titled, because the clause numbers do not have any relevance. All you have to know as auditors is how to conduct the audit, the techniques, the right approach, the, the right mindset, the qualities, the steps involved in conducting the audit, audit reporting, and the preparation, those kind of things, rather than the clause numbers. And therefore, I have completely done away with mentioning the clause numbers in the presentation, so that you don't have to worry about it. Also, rather than recording it as a lecture, I have tried to use a conversational style throughout this recording, so that it's as though we are sitting across a coffee table and having a discussion on this auditing technique, the preparations to be done, and everything else. So, this is what I wanted to share with you before we go into the course itself. And through this course content consists mainly of it starts with the terms and definitions, because when you talk about a ISO standard, there are always new terms and definitions which you come across, and therefore I thought a terms and definitions module will be best. And then we talk about the planning, the preparation, managing an audit program, and then we move on to conducting audits. Now, we are not only talking about audits in general. I have time and again talked about both internal audits as well as audit when it is conducted as part of a certification body, that is a third party audit. You will know what a third party audit is as you look at the terms and definitions. And then I have moved on to reporting and follow up, and also the last module we talked about the competence and evaluation of auditors. I mean, how the auditors are evaluated, and what kind of competences they are expected to hold to be a professional auditor. So overall, this course contains 11 modules, and once you complete this audit, you will gain a very clear understanding of how the audit process is carried forward, starting from planning for an audit, the workflow, preparing an audit program, conducting an audit actually, and how do you report, categorization and reporting of the audit findings, and the audit closure, and the follow-up action. So I'm taking you through each and every step in different modules. I have broken down the whole course into modules of lasting about 15 to 20 minutes maximum, so that you will have uh, enough time to go through the modules, as well as time to refresh your memory. You don't have to rush through the course, as I told in the beginning itself. These are recorded courses, so you can do it at your own pace. You can listen to them again, and even after you complete the course, any one portion you have doubts as you go through the audits, you can always come back, because your membership with Maven Academy will be valid. And once again, thank you for choosing this course with Maven Academy. And at any point in time during the course, if you would like to raise a question, can always go to our website and raise a ticket through the support support request form, or you could use our WhatsApp number and directly contact us via WhatsApp, or you can use our support at mavenacademy.net email ID to directly email us. And I would always advise you to please join our Facebook forum, as well as we have set up a new Microsoft Teams forum, which is a very new feature. You can join either of these forums and to be in touch with us, as well as your fellow professionals like you who are aspiring to be internal auditors or full-time professional auditors, so that you can exchange information. And I wish you good learning through this course, and I will stay with you throughout the entire length of the course. Thank you again for choosing Maven Academy, and I look forward to you in the module number 2.